Hey everyone, it's Tracy. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the last page that I'm making for the month of April, and I am using all the papers that I had pulled out. I don't think I have anything new. I'm using the back side if I have to, and I've done this design before. I've done it recently this month, but not for this, not for Mini Kit Monday. So I've been doing other videos as well, which is a little unusual, but I did have some time on my hands, so I went ahead and made those pages. Okay, so this design that I'm using is where I take all the papers and I make strips of them. Some of them I make banner edges, some of them I don't, and it goes across vertically, and then my photos are going to be somewhat in the middle. So I told you that I was throwing away this sticker sheet, which I did not, obviously, because I'm using this sticker. It's not quite 12 inches, but it's close enough, and it serves its purpose for what I'm using it for. It's going to be one of the elements, of the vertical stripes that I have going on. And this black banner, or this black strip that goes underneath the photos, is a nice shelf for the photos to sit upon. So I really like the way that's looking. Now I decided to pull out that orange paper, and I'm putting the back side of the Vicky Bouton, the green paper, so it looks like notebook paper. So I choose that instead. I am not doing any sort of banner edges on those two for sure, but I think I do the rest of them. Yeah, so go ahead and do that. Now the photos are of my daughter's pets. Bailey's the dog, and the cat is Josie. And she bought the cat a little bed. It goes in the window. It uses suction cups, and it's pretty cool. She says she got it at Aldi's. I went to my Aldi's to find one, and they didn't have one. By the time I went there, they were already out of those. So bummer. But at least, Josie has one. And I know Bailey also takes part in that little bed. I think it's pretty cool. And anyway, I just think that, I kind of lost my train of thought here. Okay, so I wanted to mention that I really love the way that this was looking with all of the strips kind of squished together. It's when I spread them out, I don't like that, and now that I look at my paper, I'm like, at my completed page, I rather it was, more squished together. But anyway, it's already done, and I'll just let it go. I love this tropical paper, this floral paper. It's so, so pretty. And it has that beautiful navy. It looks almost black, but it's not. It's a navy color. Now that orange paper, I do a couple of those black squiggly lines. It's a double line, and I go along all the edges, and that's going to be the foundation of where I'm going to put my photos, and then the black strip is going to go on top of that. It didn't have to be the full length across, but I end up just leaving it like that. And there are my photos. And I'm going to go through all my embellishments. I'm going to pull out as much as I can. This little circle says, I love this with all my heart. And it is going to go up here in the top right-hand corner, but it's going to be sitting wood veneer. So I'm going to pull that out here in just a bit, looking for another circle. But I end up pulling the green one, and that one says staycation because, we're staying home. She's staying home. She works for a wax company, and they are not working right now. So she is staying busy getting her apartment all organized and spending time with her little loved ones, her little pets. So here's that wood veneer. It's like a speech bubble, and it's kind of dipped in yellow, and I'm just going to put it up here at the top right. I'm also going to use a butterfly, and you can see there it's on the bottom left, wood veneer. And I think that's all the wood veneer that I am using. I'm going to go through the ephemera. I had cut out that little half circle with the heart from another project, and so I'm using that. I'm also going to add this flower, add a little bit of color there, as if it needed color, right? There is a lot of color on this. Now there is a tag, this tag that says Our Day. That's the one that's going to stay. And I kind of cover up the top of it so I don't have to put any string through it. And I am using quite a few of the brads that I have pulled out. And the title is Cat Perch. So you see the letter F. And don't worry, because I'm going to change that into a T, and you'll be able to see it real quick on how I do that. Yeah, I just trim off, you know, where, well, you'll see. Here, I'm going to trim it off and then use that little piece that I trim off to make the other part of the T. Easy peasy. I don't even have to cut it into anything else. So there, I've went ahead and put all of the brads. Oh, I even put a brad up in the top right, and it's in the middle of the flower. So I am looking at, you know what I'm pulling off are little bitty stars. They're yellow stars, and that is on this owl sticker sheet. And I do add a couple of owls. I add 2 owls to this. And now I'm kind of building up this cluster up here at the top. I wanted some solid colors. So I'm just cutting, as you can see, I'm cutting up some circles. And they don't have to be complete circles because I'm tucking them in. And that way you can actually see the, you know, the cluster a little better. And this one says Everyday Moments, that little banner that I put up there. And it's kind of a puffy banner. And then I use a puffy, it's a purple heart. At the bottom, I put the date, which is 4/20. And I think I'm done. Yep. Guys, make sure you check out the other ladies for Mini Kit Monday, and I'll leave links to their channels below, including our guest designers, Karen Yeagle and Kelly O'Blake. So, yep, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.